Lovely day. Are you alright? Excuse me, would you mind covering your mouth? Would you mind covering your mouth when you cough, sir?
Fuck off! What the?
You are spreading your disease!
You just slapped me!
I demand you cover your mouth before you give me whatever vile ailments you have!
Oh, yeah?
Hey! Come back here with that! It's my derby hat! My mother gave that to me! Stop this nonsense! I demand you stop this tomfoolery at once before I'm forced to call a constable! Look, I've gotten it all dirty! Give it back! Don't you dare! Oh, no! Oh, that's it! Put up your mitts, man! I'll have you know I did my fair share of boxing sport back in Manchester! Oh! Excelsior!
Hey, get it up, let's go, come on. Get off. Are you alright?
You tried to kill me!
We did!
Oh, he comes again! And make sure he's locked up good and proper.
Could you, cover your mouth?